SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. So afterwards, let's find the slot. The slot is located at the top of the device right here. Let's open this slot by using your nail finger. Let's remove the whole tray. As you can see, here you've got the tray that you can use, and here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. In the following slot you may also use the second Nano SIM card. Let me show you. Let's just put your card in that position and you can use this slot for the Nano SIM card. But if you would like to use the external storage, you have to use it for the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put the micro SD card in that position. And let me use the second slot for the Nano SIM card. This is the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. And this is the properly prepared tray. So now let's put the whole thing in that position. And let's press it to the end. That's it. Now all you have to do is simply press power key to switch on the SONY Xperia XZ. The SONY Xperia XZ2 is switching on. Let me just check if both cards works properly on that device. So unlock the screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you need to choose network and internet. Let's choose dual SIM, and as you can see the device is reading our first SIM. So now let's go back to the list of settings, scroll down, choose storage, and as you can see the phone is reading some kind of the portable storage, so our SD card. So it means that both cards works properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.